model, 69 plate Volkswagen Crafter Cr35 Startline 2.0. Tdi Euro 6 needs fuel pump No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 125145. MOT, the 28th of April 2026. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PSEU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs great on easy start. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Straightforward high-pressure fuel pump replacement job. This actually came in running and driving fine, but cut out on test drive low-pressure fault codes. Straightforward pump replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty